begin.
Hello everyone, welcome to Xilir Technology. Today I'm going to demonstrate a project named Bluetooth Control Jack. So this is Motorized jack. Then we have Arduino Uno here. Bluetooth module, L293D or L298 motor driver you can use here. This one is L298. Then we have 12 volt battery with connector to turn on the project, and this is input for charging the battery. Okay, for block diagram we are using Arduino microcontroller. Other microcontroller also can be used there. Then we have motor driver L298, and then we have Bluetooth module which will give input to Arduino through Bluetooth app, Android app. Okay, and here motor is connected. That's it. And let me show you how to connect. Just go to your Bluetooth, search the project like this one is SC05, the device name, and once you connect it, pair it, then go to this app, okay, and just search it from here, devices, and click Bluetooth. Okay, now this is connected and it will work. Okay, like this you have to connect. Connection video is there in the description, complete video for connecting the project. So guys, now let's see working of this project, how it will work. Through phone we have to send some characters. So we will send some character like right I am sending, like R I am sending in the code, as it is written R, so it is going upward. So it will lift the weight of the load which is on the top. Hello everyone, we are from Xilir Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based component hardware, projects and products globally. Xilir Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, we can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, MTech PhD thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drone-related services, software and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check the description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.